A rain sensor, or rain switch, is a switching device activated by rainfall. There are so many applications of rain sensor. It is used in automobile to support the automatic mode of windscreen wipers. In this video, we will learn how to make an automatic rain alarm. This is the connection diagram of this project. We have connected the positive terminal of buzzer with Arduino's pin number 11. Negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. Rain sensor module has 3 main pins: VCC, ground, and output. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino, and ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the output pin of rain sensor with pin number 7 of Arduino. This is the code of this project. Sensor state is an integer type variable. It will be used in the program to store the status of input pin. Initially we have set its value to 0. Void setup is a function that we create at the top of each program. Inside the brackets is the code we want to run once. As soon as the program starts running, in this project, we will give high or low signals to the buzzer connected at pin number 11. So we will make pin number 11 an output pin. We will read the status of the sensor connected at pin number 7. So we will make pin number 7 an input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Sensor state equals digital read 7. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7 and store its value in a variable sensor state. If sensor state value is low, then Arduino will give a high signal at its pin number 11, and buzzer will turn on. It indicates the rainfall. If sensor state value is high, then Arduino will give a low signal at its pin number 11, and buzzer will turn off. It shows that no rainfall is detected. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Our code has been uploaded to the hardware successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take a 5-volt buzzer. We will connect a red wire with its positive terminal, and black wire with its ground terminal. Cover the joints with insulation tape to avoid any shorting between its 2 terminals. Now connect red, black, and yellow wires at VCC, ground, and signal pins of the rain sensor respectively. Now connect the red wire of buzzer with pin number 11, and black wire with the ground pin of Arduino. Connect the red wire of sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We will use a water spray to generate the rain effect. When there is a rainfall, then buzzer will start beeping. When there is no rainfall, then buzzer will keep silent. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, You can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.